Good morning, my dear students. What is the girl doing?
Yes, she is sleeping. When do you sleep, children? Yes, we all sleep during night. When do we wake up, children? We all wake up at morning. What do you do after wake up? Brush our teeth, take a bath, eat food, and go to school. At what time do you get up, dear kids? Some of you wake up at 6 a.m. and some of you wake up at 7 a.m. Can you guess, children, what makes you wake up? Yes, sun, birds chirp, mother's call, and an alarm clock. How many of you children like to sleep a bit longer in the morning? Yes, most of us like to sleep a bit longer in the morning. Now I am going to tell a story of a girl called Neha who always wants to sleep a bit longer in the morning. Are you ready, children? One day, Neha was sleeping in a room. Suddenly, alarm clock rings at 6 a.m. Neha covered her face with a pillow and sleeps. She snuggles. She has to get up and get ready to catch the school bus. But she started to sleep with muttering. Dear children, when someone wakes you up early, do you mutter or murmur like this?
This alarm clock wakes me always at 6 a.m. I want to sleep for some more time.
The alarm clock falls down.
Ha ha ha! The alarm clock has fallen. How happy I am! Tomorrow I can get up late.
Next day, Neha is still sleeping. There is no alarm clock. Neha sleeps for a long time. She sleeps and sleeps. Small birds sitting on the windowsill and started to make a chirping sound. Neha couldn't sleep. The birds telling her to get up.
Neha, wake up. Wake up, dear. Get up fast. Oh, birds. Why are you waking me up? Why don't you leave me alone.
The next morning, Neha is still sleeping. There is no alarm clock. There are no chirping birds. Dear children, can you guess who will come now to wake Neha? Yes, the sun. The sun shone brightly. The sun rays fell on her face. Neha couldn't sleep.
Oh no! The sun? Why can't you let me alone? I want to sleep.
The sun went away. Next morning, Neha is still sleeping. There is no alarm clock. There are no chirping birds. There is no sun. Dear children, can you guess who will come now to wake up Neha? Yes, exactly. Her mother. She called Neha to get up.
Neha, Neha, get up, you sleepy head. It is late. Get up, or else you will miss the school bus.
Oh no! Why the mother wakes me up?
Neha murmured. She has to get up now. She can't escape. The next morning, Neha is still sleeping. There is no alarm clock. There are no chirping birds. There is no sun. Her mother is not calling. Dear children, do you think Neha will be sleeping? Yeah, very good. Neha woke up automatically. She sees her watch. It is 6 o'clock. Neha goes to her mother.
Mom, there is no alarm clock, no chirping birds, no sun, and you didn't call me. How do I wake up?
It's you, dear.
Me?
Yes.
But I was sleeping, Mom. How could I wake myself?
Why do you eat lunch in the afternoon?
Because I feel hungry.
Why do you sleep night at 9 o'clock?
Because I feel sleepy.
Like that, there is a clock inside you which tells you when to eat, when to sleep, and when to wake up.
Mom, I have to get ready to school. I have to rush up.
Neha, be relaxed. Today is Sunday.
From that day, Neha wakes up at 6 regularly and catches the school bus on time. Dear children, did you enjoy the story? Let's now look at the meaning for the hard words.
Window sill. Sill forming the bottom part of a window. Behind.
to the far side of something. Snuggle. Move to a comfortable position. Blanket. A large piece of cloth. Mutters. Say something in a low voice. Unfair. Not following the rules. Forget. Fail to remember. Fallen. Move from higher to a lower level. Snore. Grunting sound while a person sleeps. Escape. Break free from control. Hungry. Showing the need for food. Relax. Rest from work. Rush. Move with urgent haste. Dear children, here some of the questions for you and try to guess the answer. Dear children, at what time alarm rings at Neha's room? Yes, very good.
Alarm rings at 6 o'clock in Neha's room. Who comes to the windowsill? Yeah, superb. The bird came to the windowsill.
Who fills Neha's room with light? Yeah, very, very good. The sun fills Neha's room with light. Did she wake up automatically? Yes, she woke up automatically. When do we eat our lunch? Yes, exactly. We eat our lunch in the afternoon. Thank you, children. Have a wonderful day.